Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you the latest feature that we have just deployed to Sony 9 is data extraction from Form 1120. 1120 form is a corporate tax return. It's a very complicated form, lots of schedules, lots of complexities, and I will show you how Sony easily handles this form. So let me go to our Sony 9 office. Then I want to click very quickly, choose that I want to fill in the tax organizer. In this case I will do fill in the corporate. So now I'm gonna fill in the information, just give me a second. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload an 1120 form that will force Sony 9 extract the information from this form, including all the schedules. So what I'm gonna take is the standard demo that you can find on IRS website, and as you can see, this is the information they have filled in. This is kind of not realistic information, but it still allows you to test your extraction. As you can see, we have here approximately, I don't know, maybe 30 pages to work with. In this demo I will show you just the main form and a few schedules, but we extract data from all the forms and all the schedules that are inside this file. So let me drop this file into the upload. Okay, so over here, so now everything is ready, and I'm gonna submit the form. And what will happen is on the back end, the Google spreadsheet will be created with all the filled in information that I did here, plus the system will load the files into selected folder. I selected Dropbox in this case, so this file will be uploaded into my Dropbox. And the information from this file will be extracted separately in each Google Sheet tab. You will have form and schedules and all other information. We can add here more files. They all will be processed, like driving licenses, etc., certificates of incorporation, and all these sort of things can be processed by Sony 9, and data can be extracted to simplify your manual work. Okay, so let's submit it. Okay, so now we have a new file created where the information is currently filled in, as you can see here, based on my filled in data. And then after some time, the uploaded files will appear here. As you can see, I have uploaded one file, and the extracted information will appear in the same spreadsheet. So let's give it a few seconds. So here is our file with the extracted information. It will take some time, but eventually we will get the data in for 1120 main, then for schedule K, schedule C, L, M, and M2. Again, as I mentioned, we can extract data from all these schedules and everything that is part of 1120. But for simplicity of this example, I'm going to show you just a few of those. Okay, so this is now the information from the main form. Okay, as you can see, we also grab the check boxes that are part of this form. So let's check it. As you can see, nothing was checked. That's final return, initial return. Only schedule M3 was checked. And let's see how many total assets. And this is the correct numbers, so let me format it to counting. Alright, so then and the system will go over each page and extract information where it finds. Let me see. Okay, so we already have schedule L extracted, so let's see on our page. This is our schedule L. So if we compare it, then we will see that the system is correctly assigning the correct values to the correct items in the schedule L, including schedule M and M2. The information from them will also be extracted. Schedule M1 is empty, but schedule M2 contains some data, and as we can see here, everything was correctly extracted based on the original information in the file. So this is how Sony 9 can help you. Obviously, we can also use our document extraction for 1120 separately, integrated into different ways. But right now, all the customers we have that are using Sony 9 as an intake from their clients can use data extraction from any IRS forms. Thanks a lot for your time.